everyone! Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to explore the catalog section in OrderInWhats and see how you can manage your products that customers will order through WhatsApp. Basically, the catalog is where you create and manage all the products that your customers will see when they place orders. A catalog generally acts as a central place to organize and display products with details like images, prices, and descriptions, helping customers easily browse and choose items. To create a new catalog, first you have to click this button. You will see two main options: create catalog on Meta and log in with Facebook. To start using the catalog, we first need to create the catalog inside Meta. So the first thing we do is click on Create Catalog on Meta. This option takes you to Meta's commerce platform, where the product catalog is actually created. Once you are inside Meta Commerce Manager, look at the top right corner of the page. Here you will see the Add button. Click the Add button. Once you click Create a new catalog, Meta will show a confirmation pop-up. It recommends using a single catalog for better ad performance. But since we are creating a new one, simply click the Continue button at the bottom and move to the next step. Here, you need to select Online Products. Below, select the business account that you previously added when setting up your Meta business settings. In the Name section, you can give any name that helps you easily identify your product catalog. Click Next. Here you will see two options. First option is Connect to a data feed. This allows you to add and update your products using a product feed. The second option is Manually Add Products, where you can add each product one by one. And then click Next to continue. Now you can see that your new catalog has been successfully created. In here, the second option, Log in with Facebook. Click Continue. Here, first select the business portfolio that you created previously. Next, choose your WhatsApp business account. Then select the catalog or catalogs that you want to connect. Then click the Next button to continue. In here, add the WhatsApp business number. Here, all are set. Click Continue. So here, you can see the active catalog that is currently connected. If you want to connect a different catalog, simply click the Disconnect option. Once it is disconnected, you will see that there are no active catalogs connected. Then, go to the All Catalogs section below, select the catalog you want to use, and connect it again. Alright, that's how you connect and manage your catalog in OrderInWhats. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.